Hey guys, this is Matt Kids 101. In today's video called Finder Smokes and Mirrors. Because personally, I find that Finder is not all that honest with me. It seems as though Finder goes in and makes things look more usable for the standard user, but there's no real way to make it look less usable for the Unix user. So, I'm just going to be demonstrating what I mean. So, if I just open a new Finder window, and then say go to slash. This is not my slash. This has a list of all the network drives and drives that I have. And it's not really real. You know, it's just crap. It's just junk that they're giving me. And if I open Macintosh HD, this is somewhat my real slash. But where's bin? Where's Etsy? You know, all that stuff is gone. And you know why? Because what Finder does is it takes files, even if they don't begin with dot, that have a certain attribute on them that you can set with setFile, and it makes them hidden. And that's very interesting about Finder that I don't experience on Linux. And in Finder, there's no way through the GUI of Finder, through Finder preferences or anything, to make your computer able to endure or to show you all these hidden files. There is an option, but you can't set it through Finder's preferences. Another thing I found that's kind of dishonest about Finder is that it shows you this thing at the bottom, but everything it comes off of Macintosh HD, which is unrealistic. So that's just annoying. Yet applications also comes off of that, but if you go to a network server, it comes off of that network server instead of saying /volume/ and then the name of that network server, or for any hard drive at all. So this is kind of what Finder does to me that's frustrating. One of the cool things about Finder, though, is when you click a file, it shows you relatively the full path. But when I click a file like, say, ScreenFlow, whatever, okay, you can take a look. It says Macintosh HD applications, but if I select a file like this, it just says my home directory, so-and-so, 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 so-and-so. If it's in my home directory, it doesn't say the drive, it just has my home directory. And that's something that it does that's not really, it shouldn't really do. Okay, so that's just how kind of Finder tries to trick you. Another thing is that it gives all these folders and applications icons when it's not really the application icon, and files really can't have icons. And so it kind of does that to your files. Another thing is that web clips, it displays web clips as full-on files, but they're really 0 bytes, and then it uses resource forks. So now my friend John is going to come in, and just his voice is going to appear for a little bit, and he's going to tell you a little something about his opinion on this Finder thing.
Yeah, you can use Firefox as a web browser, so as a file browser. So if I open Firefox or even Safari, Firefox is a much advanced one. You have to do file : // because // and another slash to go into the path /. So file : // and then we'll go to users. And another thing is Firefox actually lets you see hidden files, unlike Finder. So there's a checkbox for that right over there. So talk to you guys later. Subscribe and goodbye.
So yeah, so John's family is going out to dinner, so he can't talk anymore. But that's how Finder's kind of not cool in some ways, and how Firefox can be used as a more realistic browser. You can also go into Terminal or iTerm. Oops, I'm just gonna open up Terminal, and I'll log in here. Okay, and if you take a look, oh, by the way, if you want to be able to log in on Terminal, just we will upload a video on that soon enough. So yeah, but if you check this out right here, if you type ls -a, it shows you everything. So that's just a little bit of Terminal this stuff. You should watch our Terminal lessons too. So anyway, that is how files are hidden in Finder. So thanks for watching, Matt Kids 101. Subscribe and goodbye.